Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Hugs and Yarns. Alright, so here I'm starting the first row. Okay, for first row we will do two single crochet in the second chain from hook. Look, this is the first chain and this is the second chain. So we'll leave the first chain and we will do two single crochet in the second chain. This chain which we are leaving will be considered as one single crochet. And then alright, I'm doing chevron can be done in double crochet, half double crochet and single crochet also. So I'm going with single crochet in this. Okay, if you want to do, you can do it in front. If you want to do, you can use just one loop, or you can use two loops. Okay, right now I like to use the back of the loop, this single loop, so I'll be using this. Okay, so I'll leave first loop and I'll be single crocheting in the second loop. All right, so do two single crochet in this second loop. Okay, I did two single crochet in the second chain. Okay, so this will be counted as first three single crochet set. Okay, these are the first three single crochets of the chevron pattern. Okay, now we will single crochet in the next four stitches. Okay, so single crochet in next four stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I did single crochet, 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are the 3 single crochet. These are the 3 single crochets in the first stitch. Okay, next what we'll do, we'll do 3 single crochet 3 together. Okay, I have told you about single crochet decrease. Its another name is single crochet 2 together. Okay, so if you don't know how to do single crochet decrease, you can refer to my video of single crochet decrease, and its another name is single crochet 2 together. So here we have to do single crochet 3 together. Okay, single crochet 3 together means we have to decrease in normal decrease. In single crochet 2 together we use 2 stitches. Okay, we decrease in 2 stitches, but now we will be decreasing in these 3 stitches. Okay, so how we will do single crochet 3 together? Like, first insert the hook in the first stitch. Okay, first chain. I'm using back loop only. Alright, insert the hook and yarn over. Then do nothing. Again insert the hook in the next stitch and yarn over. Now you have 3 loops. Now again, in normal decrease in single crochet 2 together, what we will do after after yarning over from the in the second chain, in the second stitch, we will yarn over and pull through all these 3 loops. Okay, but as we are doing single crochet 3 together, so we will insert the hook and yarn over and pull up a loop in the third chain also. All right, in the third stitch also. Now again yarn over and pull up a loop. Now I have 4 loops on the hook. Okay, so now yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Okay, look, this is called single crochet 3 together. Okay, after doing so, what you have to do, you'll single crochet in next 4 stitches. So again, we'll single crochet in next 4 stitches. One, two, three, and 4. All right. As you can see here, we are getting a little bit of shape here. Okay, this is the look where we did 3 single crochet is the peak, and where we did single crochet 3 together is the valley. Okay, this is the peak and this is the valley. All right, so what we'll do, we will continue repeating the same pattern. Okay, all right, now I'll show you again, and we have to repeat it again. What we'll do, in first stitch, first you'll do 3 single crochet in 1 stitch, then we will do 4 single crochet in next 4 stitches, then again we'll do single crochet 3 together, then 4 single crochet in next 4 stitches. Okay, so this way we will be completing the whole row. I'll show you one more time. Okay, I'm working in the back loop because, as you can see, look how fine the edge is. If you work in the back loop, look, you'll get these these loops in the bottom. Like, look, the way it is on the top, you'll get it in the bottom the same way, and it gives a fine edge. Okay, and it will be helpful when you'll be doing the border. Okay, when you'll do the border, at that time it will help you. It will help you a lot. Okay, and otherwise it gives you a very nice edge. Okay, that's why I like to do it in the back loop. Okay, instead of the front loop of the chain. Okay, now again, single crochet in 3 single crochet in the first loop, three single crochet in first loop. Okay, okay, 3 single crochet in first loop. Now single crochet in next 4 stitches. If you want, you can use instead of single crochet, you can use double crochet or half double crochet. Why I'm using single crochet is because this blanket will last the whole year, so it will already be a very big blanket, and for blanket we don't want too many spaces in between. So for single crochet, it is the best. Like single crochet is best for it. Okay, now you can see here, this is the peak. Now here we did 3 single crochets, and then 1 2 3 4 we did 4 single we did single crochet next 4 stitches. Now again we will do single crochet 3 together. Okay, for single crochet 3 together, again insert the hook, pull up a loop, insert the hook in the next stitch, then pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Now again insert the hook in the third loop and yarn over, pull up a loop. Okay, now you have 4 loops on the hook. Now yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Okay, and now after this you have to do 4 single crochets in the next 4 stitches. Okay, single crochet in next 4 stitches. This is the second stitch of single crochet. Okay, now third stitch, and now fourth stitch. I'm slowing you in I'm doing it slowly and showing so that you can follow easily. Okay, so this way you'll complete the whole row. You continue doing the same pattern till the end of the row.